If you're dealing with a broken zipper, I know how frustrating it can be. Whether it's on your favorite jacket, a bag, or even a pair of jeans, a broken zipper often feels like the end of the line for that item. But don't worry. I'm here to walk you through how to fix a broken zipper step by step so you can get things working again without needing a replacement. First, take a close look at what's wrong. Is the zipper stuck, not closing properly, or has the pull tab come off? Different issues require different solutions, but they're all relatively easy to fix with a little patience. If the zipper is stuck, the problem is usually dirt or fabric caught in the teeth. To fix this, grab some soap or a lubricant like petroleum jelly. Apply a small amount to the teeth and gently move the slider back and forth. Be careful not to force it, as that could cause more damage. If you notice any fabric caught in the teeth, gently remove it before trying to slide the zipper again. This simple step is often the easiest way to start with how to fix a broken zipper. Now, if the zipper slider isn't closing the teeth properly, it might have become loose. In this case, grab a pair of pliers. Carefully pinch the slider on both sides to tighten it just a little. Test it out to see if it starts zipping correctly again. Don't over-tighten, as this could make the slider too tight to move. If the pull tab is missing, you can replace it with a paper clip, a key ring, or even a piece of sturdy string. Simply loop your replacement through the hole where the pull tab used to be. It's not a permanent fix, but it will work until you can get a proper replacement. In cases where the teeth are misaligned or missing, the situation becomes a bit trickier. Start by trying to realign the teeth by hand. If one tooth is bent, you can straighten it gently with pliers. However, if teeth are completely missing, you may need to replace the entire zipper. This process involves removing the old zipper with a seam ripper and sewing a new one in its place. If sewing isn't your thing, a tailor can handle this for you. Remember, when learning how to fix a broken zipper, patience is key. Rushing can lead to further damage, but careful, methodical steps can often restore your zipper to perfect working order. To prevent future problems, keep your zippers clean and avoid pulling too hard when using them. Regular maintenance, like brushing dirt out of the teeth and avoiding overloading bags or clothing, can help extend their lifespan. I hope this guide helps you feel more confident in tackling the issue. Fixing a broken zipper might seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you'll have your item back in working order in no time. If you have any questions or encounter any unusual issues, don't hesitate to reach out for advice. Good luck!